Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Tech Markets for Thursday the 12th of June. I'm going to move on to dollar yen now, and the dollar yen chart continues to drag, and it's changing the outlook, to be honest. I mean, now we have now broken that 3-week uptrend that we have been building. That came following yesterday's sharp move to the downside. That sharp move to the downside has now brought all these moving averages back into a flat configuration. Momentum indicators rolled off the top, so you'd certainly say they are no longer encouraging, or they are no longer in bullish configuration. And we're back to around this 102 key pivot level that I believe is fairly much a consistent pivot that we have on dollar yen. It breached that overnight and yesterday, but it sort of bounced back today. I'll show you that on the intraday chart. Had that breach of the 102 level overnight yesterday, but we're back above it today. So to be honest, it's sort of a mixed outlook, I think, purely for the fact that you're trading around this pivot level now. But if you see this downtrend that I've drawn in here over the past 5 days or so, you've got a sequence of lower highs, and that sequence comes in around 102.45, and it's now into the point at which you're looking at this overhead resistance, which is around 102.20, which sharply broke to the downside yesterday. Now that becomes that former support that had been building through that period is now the basis of resistance. And you've also got basic resistance around that 102.40 as well. So 102.20 and 102.40 are the two key levels on the upside. So if you've got a move back into that, if you're very short term in your trading, then maybe that would be an opportunity to sell, because this outlook is certainly no longer one of an improving outlook for the dollar. It's neutral at best, I think, this chart. Certainly the daily chart is really struggling now to make any sort of headway, and you're trading around that 102 big figure level, and also with these momentum and moving averages all sort of flattening off. It's very neutral in its outlook. So what might happen today? Well, you've got those retail sales today that certainly, if they are positive, then that could result in a bounce in the dollar yen. But certainly at the moment, it looks like that the dollar index is under pressure today, so that could suggest that the dollar yen chart will have a bit of a corrective, or certainly is going to struggle to make much headway, I think, at the moment. And as I said, any sort of bounce into this resistance band 102.20 to the 102.40 could now be seen as an opportunity to do a very short term, very near term sell position. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on dollar yen today. So I will speak to you later. Thank you.